Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Big Thunder's gonna happen. Splash Mountain's gonna happen. Country Bear Jamboree is gonna happen. And I might take a river raft over to Tom Sawyer's Island. It's gonna be fun today. Here we go. Gonna cross over the bridge here. Did you know that this is called the Little Mississippi? This little bit of water that you cross over is called the Little Mississippi. That'll lead you in to Frontierland. I think first things first, let's go ride some rides. Well darn, something happened to my camera. The lens is not connecting properly. It keeps saying it cannot read my lens. So the rest of the episode is going to be filmed on the phone. Hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. Today we are going to be tackling Frontierland. We're going to be doing all the attractions, walking the grounds, seeing what this place looks like. Since it's reopened, unfortunately, my camera was acting up. So today's episode will be filmed on the iPhone. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. And if you would like to support my channel, my Patreon link is down below in the description box. Now, let's take a closer look. So that's not gonna stop us from riding some rides. Here we go, Big Thunder Mountain. Looks like it's gonna be almost a walk-on. We'll have to wait and see what happens when we get inside the queue. They have added these plexiglass barricades, as you can see. Yeah, I don't believe this is a 25-minute wait, as it was posted. So I'm currently just wandering through. Ran into a small line, but we're almost there.
Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Woohoo! All right, I got the first 3 rows to myself as part of social distancing. I wanted to leave the first 2 empty so you guys could see the train. Here we go. Go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh. Oh. Woo-hoo. Here we go, possums, there they are. Removed my hat, just in case. We did it. That was super fun. Splash Mountain is currently not operating, but I'm gonna hang out until it reopens. All right, it's back open. Let's do this. First one walking in, besides my cast member friend here who's leading us in. This is kind of neat, being walked on to the attraction. First one back on a log. All right, time to have a zippity-doo-dah ride. I have my own log. My own log. Uh-oh, Bear Rabbit is heading for trouble. Woo! Kind of awesome. I'm the only one on the attraction. There was like one guy following behind me as we were being let in. Oh, got a few drops. Water is a little chilly this morning, but that's okay because the sun is out. I will dry very quickly. There we go. Slip and falls. There's Bear's lair. Woo-hoo! Whoa! So many animatronics in this attraction. I completely forget how many animatronics are in here. It's kind of incredible when you stop to think about it. This little raccoon guy playing the harmonica is Abby's favorite character. If you have a favorite character on the attraction, comment below and let me know. I always liked Bear. This drop always gets me. Oh, so dark. Whoa! Oh gosh! Woo-hoo! Woo! Oh man. Here we go, another drop. Whoa! Woo! All right, this is it. Almost to the final drop. Watch out, beware. Oh my goodness. This is it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be awesome. Oh, and I just kind of realized I will have a photo of just myself on Splash Mountain. I don't think I've ever gotten a photo of just myself on here.
You could.
Yep, no turning around now. This is it. The final hoorah. Oh my gosh! Whoa! Woo! Hey! Not so bad. Just right in the face. No shoulders. I'm good. That was nice. Kind of woke me up there a little bit. All right, welcome home, Brer Rabbit. Welcome home. I love these guys, the alligators. Oh man. Woo! We did it. There it is, the Zippity Lady. See you later, buddy. And there I am, right there. Check that out. Got my own log. Yeah, the line is pretty long right now for Splash Mountain. We definitely lucked out by waiting. And the last time I was here, you were not allowed to come inside this way. You had to get a return time because they had all the Splash Mountain merchandise in here. No longer has Splash merchandise. Still a photo of Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox. All right, next stop is gonna be Tom Sawyer's Island. Gonna grab some hand sanitizer before I go in. The hidden Mickey here with the tomatoes. It's hidden behind this, but that is a hidden Mickey. Currently on the raft. I'm about to head over to the island. They give you a marker to stand on, so you have plenty of room on the raft. Always love doing this because you get to see Frontierland from a different point of view. Look at this. Amazing. And the weather today couldn't be more beautiful. Clear skies, nice little breeze. This is super awesome. Getting a little glimpse of the castle there in the distance. about to dock. Made it onto the island, gonna wander around for a little bit and just hang out on Tom Sawyer's Island. I love this place. It's a nice little escape. These are the spots that I love. Nice and shaded, and the sounds of the water flowing through the rocks. Tom Sawyer Scavenger Fort is closed, but the picnic area is open. And this area leading to Aunt Polly's and the dock is roped off as well. However, Harper's Mill is open, and there's butterflies everywhere here today. Just keep seeing butterflies all over the place. You guys didn't know this was based off of the old mill. See the butterflies? They're everywhere here today. Just fluttering around. Now, if it is open, I'm gonna head over to my favorite spot. Gotta cross the bridge next to Big Thunder Mountain to get to it. Yes, my friends, it is accessible. Oh boy, right here. Sit on this rocking chair and watch Big Thunder Mountain. Also, gonna take a little break, quench my thirst while I'm sitting here. This is nice. This is definitely nice. Haven't done this in a long time. Also, I was waiting for the Liberty Bell to come by. It's an awesome shot when you see it coming right in front of you next to Big Thunder Mountain. There it is, the old Liberty Bell. I just think that's awesome to see it right in front of the Big Thunder Mountain there. Gets pretty close. Well, that's really all I wanted to do here on Tom Sawyer Island. Walk around a little bit, take a couple of sips of my drink, and just relax. Now I'm gonna head back over to Frontierland. Tom Sawyer's Island was a ton of fun though. I have found Chippendale's raft. They are aboard the Tom Sawyer. That's why Aunt Polly's area is blocked off. That's where they're hanging out and boarding. So if you'd like to get a photo, just come over to this area here along the banks of the rivers of America, and you can snag a photograph with those two on the raft. Here come the boys. Chippendale, dressed in their Western gear. Look at them. Climbed aboard, I believe that is the Tom Sawyer river raft. This is how Chippendale are doing meet and greets over here in Frontierland. They're doing a little drive-by on the river raft. Absolutely fun, super fun to see them out. You don't normally see this. So awesome. And there's Tinkerbell coming through right in front of Grizzly Hall, home of the Country Bear Jamboree. The Frontierland Shooting Arcade is closed. When you walk up, you can see they have signs roping it off completely. It's understandable, but this is a nice area to stand and get some shade and some air conditioning, because they do have air conditioning pumping in this area. And also the Frontier Trading Post is currently closed as well. Even the general store is currently closed. Westward Ho Refreshments is currently closed as well. So if you want to get something to eat, you got to visit Pecos Bill. Pecos Bill is currently only doing mobile ordering. As you can see, everyone is waiting outside to pick up their meal. You guys can see they have added some plexiglass in front of big owls for when you check out. And I think next on the agenda is going to be Country Bear Jamboree. Good old Grizzly Hall, 1898. And while I'm waiting for the Country Bears, look who's here. Max, Clarabelle, Goofy. All of our friends are back on the Goofy cavalcade. Oh, and we have our friends from the 3 Caballeros. here on the back. Only 8 more minutes until the next show.
So thanks for bearing with us to the Bear End.
Princesses are out. You can see Merida right there. All right. Always good to see these guys. Hi. And we have Tiana and Rapunzel right up here. Love Tiana. That's one of Abby's favorite princesses. And the rest of the princesses are on this huge float with the fairy godmother. There they are, all the Disney princesses. Well, a good chunk of them. Snow. And fairy godmother right out there at the tip top. Honestly, have been enjoying those pop-up appearances a little more than a full parade because they just randomly come out. You can walk over, say hello, and then be on your way. You're not waiting for an hour or a half hour to hold a spot in the direct sun. You can kind of just hang out. As soon as the cavalcade comes by, run out, say hello, grab your photo, and then be on your way. I like it. Check this out. Do we know who he's making just yet? A couple of ideas came through my head, but not 100%. Love when they do this. There's the ears. It's our good old pal Mickey Mouse. All right. Well, that's gonna do it for Frontierland. Had a lot of fun hanging out in this area today, riding all the rides, doing Country Bear Jamboree, saying hello to a few characters, including Chip and Dale. But I believe our adventure for today has come to an end, which means it's time to say goodbye. But if you enjoyed today's episode, please give me a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys tomorrow on a brand new episode. All my links are down below. Till then, stay weird. Goodbye.